Hi, Harida here. This video is a part of the series Solving CBSE Class 10 Question Papers Chapter Wise. And in this video, we are going to solve Introduction to Trigonometry and Trigonometric Identities. So let's start now. The first question is, if 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, then prove that sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. So let's solve now. In the question, it is given that 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. We have to prove that sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So, here given 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, which means 2 sin theta equal to 1. So, sin theta equal to 1 by 2. For what value of theta? Sin theta will be 1 by 2. Theta equal to 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, right? So, you got theta equal to 30 degree. Now, we have to prove that sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, right? Now, and theta equal to 30 degree. We know that theta equal to 30 degrees. So, LHS, left hand side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. LHS equal to sin 3 theta equal to sin 3 into 30 equal to sin 90 equal to, what is sin 90? 1. So, you got LHS equal to 1. Okay. Now, RHS equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to 3 into sin 30, it is 1 by 2, minus 4 into sin cube 30, it is 1 by 2 whole cube, which is 1 by 8. So, 3 by 2 minus 4 and 8. 4 will go in 8 2 times. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. So, we got LHS as 1 and RHS as 1, which means LHS equal to RHS. That is hence proved. Okay. Second question is, if sin alpha equal to 1 by 2, find 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. Question is, if sin alpha equal to 1 by 2, find 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha equal to 3 into sin alpha is 1 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube, right? 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 8. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay. Next question. In a triangle ABC, write cos B plus C by 2 in terms of angle A. Question is, in a triangle ABC, write cos B plus C by 2 in terms of angle A. Given triangle ABC, this is a triangle, and in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be always equal to how much? 180 degree, right? So, what is B plus C? B plus C equal to 180 minus A. So, we can write, substitute for this 180 minus A. So, cos B plus C by 2 equal to cos 180 minus A by 2. Cos 180 minus A by 2 is cos 180 by 2 minus A by 2, which is cos 90 minus A by 2. And what is cos 90 minus A? It is sin A. So, cos 90 minus A by 2 is Sin A by 2. So, if we want to write cos B plus C by 2 in terms of A, we can write it as sin A by 2. In a triangle ABC, if we want to write cos B plus C by 2 in terms of angle A, we can write it as sin A by 2. Understood? Next question is, if cos 40 plus x equal to sin 30, find x. Question is, if cos 40 plus x equal to sin 30, find the value of x. Now, we can write this sign in terms of cos, right? So, and for that, we have to convert it into 90 minus some angle. Here, 30 can be written as 90 minus 60, right? So, we can write this as cos 40 plus x equal to sin 90 minus 60, which is equal to cos 60, right? So, here 40 plus x and 60, cos 40 plus x equal to cos 60, which means 40 plus x equal to 60. So, what is the value of x? 60 minus 40, which is equal to 20. So, x equal to 20 degree is the answer. Understood? Next question is, if a plus b equal to 90 degree and ck equal to 5 by 3, then find the value of cosec b. Here, given a plus b equal to 90 degree, ck equal to 5 by 3, then we have to find cosec b. That is the question. So, here a plus b equal to 90 degree means what is a? A equal to 90 minus b. So, we can write ck as ck equal to sec 90 minus b. Right? This is b. 90 minus b. And what is sec 90 minus b? It is cosec b. Given ck equal to 5 by 3. So, what is cosec b? Cosec b equal to ck equal to cosec b, which implies cosec b equal to 5 by 3. So, cosec b equal to 5 by 3 is the answer. Understood? Next question is, evaluate 3 tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus cosec 30 minus tan 45, the whole divided by cot square 45. The question is, evaluate 3 tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus cosec 30 minus tan 45 by cot square 45. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Cosec 30 is 2. Right? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, cosec 30 is inverse of sin 30, which is 2. So, we can write 3 tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus cosec 30 minus tan 45 by cot square 45 equal to 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square plus tan square 60 is root 3 the whole square plus 2 minus tan 45 is 1 by cot square 45 is 1 square. 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square is 1 by 3 minus root 3 plus root 3 the whole square is 3 plus 2 minus 1. And 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So, the answer of 3 tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus cosec 30 minus tan 45 by cot square 45 is 5, which is the answer. Understood? Next question is, if sin 3 theta equal to cos theta minus 6 degree and 3 theta and theta minus 6 degree are acute angles less than 90, find the value of theta. So, Here in the question given that sine 3 theta equal to cos theta minus 6 degree and 3 theta and theta minus 6 degree are less than 90 degree. That is, they are acute angles. So we have to find the value of theta. Here this sine 3 theta can be written as cos 90 minus 3 theta, right? Since they are acute angles. This is less than 90, so you can write it as cos 90 minus 3 theta equal to cos theta minus 6 degree. So, this implies that 90 minus 3 theta equal to theta minus 6, right? So, which get it as minus theta. Minus 3 theta minus theta equal to minus 6 minus 90, right? So, minus 4 theta equal to minus 96, which means theta equal to minus 96 by minus 4, which is equal to 9 by 4 is 2, remainder 1, 16 by 4 is 4. And the answer will be, sign of the answer will be positive because negative by negative is positive. So you got theta equal to 24 degree, which is the answer. Understood? 8th question. If tan A plus cot A equal to 2, then find the value of tan square A plus cot square A. If tan A plus cot A equal to 2, tan A plus cot A equal to 2, we have to find the value of tan square A plus cot square A. So, we can square this. Tan A plus cot A, the next step is tan A plus cot A whole square equal to 2 square, right? And implies tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A cot A equal to 2 square is 4, which implies tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into tan A cot A. Tan A into cot A is 1 by tan A, which is 1. So, plus 2 equal to 4. Now, this implies tan square A plus cot square A equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. So, tan square A plus cot square A equal to 2, which is the answer. Understood? So, with this question, I am concluding this video, and we have solved 8 questions from this chapter. We will be solving some more questions in the upcoming videos. So, please stay tuned, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe and please do like and share so that others can also benefit. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to clear your doubts. So, thank you and bye.